Hey everybody, so you're thinking about moving to Fort Worth and surrounding areas. Well, in this video, I'm taking you on a tour and I'm doing a series of them. But today's video is what can $300,000 get you in Texas? Hey there everybody, if you're new to the channel, just go down there and tap that subscribe button and that bell and you'll be the first to be notified of all the happenings in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and surrounding parts. I'm Julia Duffy with Compass Real Estate right here in Fort Worth, Texas. Me and my team, we are embedded in Fort Worth like no other. We want to help you. It will be our honor to do so, but all you got to do is call me, text me, email me, all of the above. All the information is down there. If you're moving in one day or if you're moving in 100, that's okay. We're on your timetable, okay? So do not hesitate. Call us, text us, email us. Anyway, so you'll see what can fit in your budget, what you may or may not like about this house, but it's really a very serene street, serene neighborhood, and but you're also near commerce. You're also near some good shopping right around here in Westcliff. And we've done a video on Westcliff if you want to like jump on over and see that. We drilled down on that neighborhood and on that shopping so you can see what you're doing. Okay, so here we are at this what 300 grand or thereabouts will get you in Fort Worth. We are in the Bernie. And wow, this used to be a fireplace. They listed it in the comments, but then they didn't list it in the actual stats and details. So anyway, I guess you could put in like a faux, you know, kind of alternate space heater fire. It looks like a fire kind of thing going on. Anyway, very spacious for a little over 1,000 square feet. This is the entry that we just came in. Big built-in bookcase, gotta love that. And of course, this is virtually staged online, so you can hear the echo in my voice. So it's as vacant will get. Now, you can also tell, since this is a 1942 build, look at the lovely hardwood floors that have been put in. Lovely, nice, big old window. Getting outside. Here's your dining room area. You could use it for something else if you like, but this is usually what this is designated for. It's pretty common sense. Look at that huge window looking outside. We're gonna go out there in a minute. Huge tree, love that stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and meander here in the kitchen because look at the stainless steel. All the upgraded appliances to bring you into the 21st century. That's great. Look at the nice cabinets. You've got that going on. Modern look. They've sleeked this thing out, you know, to bring it up to 2024 standards. Again, backyard, 2-car garage back there. Loads of natural lighting, y'all. Boy, you gotta love that. Big sink. So here you've got basically like a combo, big dishwasher, lovely. These cabinets, ooh, let's do that. Let's look at the cabinets. Very spacious, alrighty. Nice drawer sitch. And you can always change, you know, the handles if you want to, but I kind of like these, to be honest with you. Nice storage here for your dishes and such. Samsung. Everything is Samsung. Samsung's good, okay? I just want you to know. It looks like these are super new, and I think that is important. So it's pretty turnkey. You know, you got your own furniture, all that good stuff. Through the living room. And see, look at this, like just a huge wall where you can put, you know, your flat TV. Put the sofa over there, put the flat TV over here, maybe above that faux fireplace. You could change that however you want to do it. kind of cool. Alrighty, first bedroom. Like I said, this is a two bedroom, 1 bath. So here we got like the corner bedroom, primary. Now this is very interesting. It looks like it's two closets, and you could probably just like knock down that wall if you got really industrious. But it was done. It's done well. It's, you know, put together well. So you've got like a separate, more shelves in here. You know, that looks like. Ooh, let's hide the alcohol. Anyway, maybe not. I'm just thinking prohibition, because that was a little bit later. All right, attic space. Weird rope hanging down. Backflow. God, you never know what you're gonna find. Is this 1942 or what? Okay, the 1 bathroom, which really has not been updated very much. However, how cool is this? Old medicine cabinet, man. Nice. Like those shutters, you'd have to probably at least get a shower curtain going on here. And another linen closet right here with not really a door, but if you don't mind that and don't need the privacy. Okay, now this is cool. Anybody, I almost want to like give a gift certificate for anybody that can tell me what that is, but I will go ahead and spill the beans. That is an old place where you would have your telephone. The old rotary phones would sit right there. Phone book under here. Oh, God. Blast from the past. Look, I was not born and I did not live in 1942. I'm just telling you though. Okay, another bedroom back here, which I love. Look at all of this natural light here back here, y'all. HV unit, but that's okay. Street. I love these built-ins. You know, it's hard to find sometimes. So the built-ins, I dig. This one, I especially dig. Would you please look at this? It's like a built-in desk. So great for students, great for if you work from home, do your daily stuff. And another closet for everything. So very wonderful. Okay, and as you can see, you know, when I was just coming through, it's central air, it's electric. There's a covered patio. We're gonna go out there like right now. And the foundation is, believe it or not, pillar post pier, and both central heating and central electric. Okay, it's less than half of an acre. But hey, I'm digging the 2-car garage here. So let's go out and take a look, okay? This is one of the last really hot days that we're gonna get here, y'all. So I know you can't feel it. There's a breeze, but it is super warm out here. I just wanted to get out here and pan this around. This is totally fenced, which is very cool. So if you have dogs, or if your neighbors have dogs, or any kind of animals, you're totally fenced in and cool. Oh my gosh, that's an old, y'all, no way. That is an old laundry line. See that pole? You see that pole down there at the other end? And those wire, that's, I'll be dadgum. That is a laundry line from the 40s. I recognize that from my old grandmother's old house. And again, look at that excellent tree. That's gotta be, Lord, that's gotta be like 80 years old, something like that, 80, 90. Look at that. Now that's gonna help you with your utility bills, and everything's electric. So there you go. Isn't that cute? They painted the garage yellow. Okay, this is basically what you're getting for $300 in Fort Worth, Texas. Alrighty-o. And meet me outside. This is 1,075 square feet, 1 story, needless to say, but really cute, serene street. You've actually got commerce near here, but you don't hear, you know, the action, which I love. This is a 2-1, so it's a 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom. This is a 1942 build that has been restored, really restored and renovated, I should say. There was a fireplace in there, so that could have been cozy. You could actually put in, I mean, there's a place for like an artificial fireplace, which I see that all the time. You know, it comes in handy in the winter. You would not believe how much heat those things give out, okay? Backyard is pretty dang big for this area. It's a 0.179 acre. The square footage too, I forgot to tell you because it's $305,000, easy to get into. It's $283 per square foot. You know, I know my title is what 300 gets you. It's 305, okay? So you're right in the ballpark. I mean, this market is weird, so you don't know what they'll accept for an offer and what they won't. And that's where I come in, okay? And I can help negotiate. So just wanted to see you there. I'm gonna do a series on this. I'm gonna do 400, 500, 600, work our way up so you can get a glimpse of what fits into your budget, what you think you like, what you don't like. But this is a great starter home for like a couple that they want to grow their family, or just anybody that really, you know, maybe another couple that they're downsizing, you know, maybe empty nesters. You just want a small, wonderful neighborhood that you can slide on into. That's what this is all about, okay? I will see you in the next video. Hang in there with me.